Get ready. Property taxes are going up in 2021, and this is what you can do to prepare for it. A quick disclaimer. I am not a lawyer, appraiser, or licensed financial planner. This video should not be considered legal, financial, or professional advice. If you need legal, financial, or professional advice, you should hire a professional to discuss your personal situation. I am only providing general information here based on my personal research, experiences, and opinions. It's no surprise to anyone that has followed the real estate market that 2020 was a record-breaking year for home prices. Home prices have continued to surge into 2021. But as we enter the summer, property tax assessment notices will be sent out in the very near future. And if you haven't been paying attention the last few years, you need to pay attention now. There are going to be many property owners that are going to be shocked by their property tax assessments this year, especially those that live in the greater metro Atlanta area. As I make this recording, I am gearing up for property tax season. I'm putting out the word that everyone needs to be prepared. When the tax assessments go out in summer 2021, it will be reflective of values effective January 1, 2021. How you can be prepared is start gathering the comps that go back into 2020. You do not want to look at the comps that are in 2021. Those comps will fall into the 2022 tax season. It doesn't matter whether you bought or sold a house in 2020. Property tax values affect everyone, with some notable exceptions. The first thing you need to do is to contact either the tax assessor's office and verify with them that they have the correct mailing address for every property that you own in that particular county. What that means is if you have properties in 3 different counties, you will want to call the 3 tax assessor's office and make sure they have the correct mailing address. Now, if you're a homeowner and that's the only property you have, your job is much easier. The alternative to calling each of the tax assessor's office is to log in to the tax assessor's website and check to see if they have the correct mailing address. You want to make sure that the correct mailing address is shown online so that you will be able to get the annual tax assessment notices when they get sent out this summer. If you don't get this a tax assessment form, it will be very difficult for you to prepare to file an appeal to make corrections to overinflated values. And because tax assessment values are based on prior year's sales, you can start gathering the comps from last year. Many of you will have a real estate agent or a real estate broker friend, and you will want to contact them and ask for their assistance to get you some comps in preparation for the upcoming tax appeal season. The next thing you'll want to do is to do a walkthrough and a walk around your property. What you're looking for are deficiencies, imperfections, wear and tear, damage, and other deferred maintenance issues that might have accumulated over the years. All of these deficiencies and imperfections will want to be documented through photographs. You won't need anything fancy. Your cell phone camera will do just fine. Now, I know some of you might think, wow, this is a lot of work and a lot of hassle, but it really isn't. If you want to avoid overpaying your property taxes, unfortunately, there are things that you're going to have to do now to prepare for when tax appeals season hits. So to recap, property values are going up due to all the surging sales in 2020. The tax assessment notices are going out in the summer of 2021. The stated values are supposed to be effective January 1, 2021. So make sure you either contact your tax assessor's office or log online and make sure that the mailing address for every property you own is correct so you are ready for tax appeal season. Don't wait any longer. Tax assessment notices will be going out very soon. It will be on top of us before you know it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, take a look at these videos that I've recommended for you. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.